Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G82, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into boot mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power key and select power off. When the device turns off, hold power key and the volume down at the same time. Once you see your boot mode, basically this screen right here, you can let go of those keys, and to navigate through the visible options, or well, not visible options, you will use volume keys, up and down. We'll cycle through them, and one option is only visible at a time, as you can see. So we have start, which takes us back to Android, restart bootloader, which does nothing, recovery mode takes us to obviously recovery mode, power off turns off the device, just gives us bootloader, gives us a bootloader logs right here, barcode, just a barcode, and then we're back to start. So whatever you have selected that you want to confirm, you'll then press power key, and because I'm sticking with start, this will take me back to Android, so basically leaving this mode. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.